Hi, can you explain Erection All Risks (EAR) insurance? I'm not too familiar with it.
Sure. ER insurance covers risks associated with the installation of machinery, equipment, or plants. It protects against damage or loss during the erection or installation phase of large industrial projects.
So this is for big industrial projects?
Exactly. ER is mainly used for projects like power plants, turbines, or large factory installations. It's different from Contractors All Risks (CR) insurance, which covers civil construction projects like roads or buildings.
What risks does EAR cover?
ER covers accidental damage during the installation process, such as fire, theft, explosions, storms, and natural disasters. It also covers damage caused by human error during the assembly or erection of the equipment.
Does it cover third-party damage as well?
Yes, ER can include third-party liability. This covers damage to third-party property or injuries to others during the installation. For example, if equipment falls and damages nearby property, the policy would respond.
What if the equipment breaks down after installation?
ER doesn't cover machinery breakdown after installation. For that, you'd need a machinery breakdown policy once the equipment is operational. ER covers only during the installation and testing phase.
How are premiums calculated for EAR insurance?
Premiums depend on the project value, type of equipment, location, duration of the project, and the contractor's experience. Higher value projects, complex equipment, high-risk locations, and longer projects lead to higher premiums.
What should we focus on as underwriters when assessing EAR risks?
Focus on the complexity of the project, the type of machinery being installed, and the contractor's experience. The location of the project is also critical. Projects in high-risk areas, like earthquake zones, will have a different risk profile.
Are there any trends in EAR insurance?
Yes, renewable energy projects like wind farms and solar plants are increasingly covered under EAR policies. These projects involve complex equipment in remote locations, which increases the risks. Technology like drones and sensors is also being used more to monitor construction and assess risks.